onye enu na onye ana na-edemand apology from Ogechi. Onye enu na onye ana mewekwa video mechasịcha video. Ife ya anụ it is still time for Ogechi to apologize. Onye ọwụ na shall apology from Ogechi. Ekwuona m ife ugboro one. Ma ndị na-enye apology as advice. Ma ndị na-enye apology as na ha na-enye their own suggestion. Ma ndị sị na ha chọrọ udo. Ha ncha niile na-enye this same suggestion. Now what I want to ask is, this suggestion for apology or this advice for apology for the part of the heart and what is your intention of everybody demanding for this apology? Because now if in the apology aketa the konya if I do achieve if I amen at the rest of this 2025. This apology, are you suggesting this apology so that it will be a show of defeat, that need defeat to go in your own word? In our show this apology in such a way that now the apology he will be to the point that apology because that you genuinely want peace, and if you shall attend a good apology. Now, let me tell you a piece of my mind. I am not stopping Ogechi from apologizing to anybody, just like I have always maintained in this matter, that Ogechi is entitled to any line of action she wants to take. Mine is to give her more moral support and lend her my strength, because I have seen oppression. Many people who are talking, I can see a tone of oppression from Ifineku. Oppression. You want to oppress somebody. You want to subdue a voice. You want to subdue her voice. I saw Miriam Justice talking about justice for women, justice against Omaze and Emenu Nemana. I don't know whether na Miriam Justice idea no Ogechi awunwanyi ko no Ogechi ablomoke. I don't know na Miriam Justice na in her own dictionary or no for her ida akpọ nwata nwanyi no na di akwụna as bully against her. No for nwata nwanyi a na-eje humiliate di ye. Ofro nwata nwanyi emeghepụrụ ọnụ wee kwuo na ụmụ ye na ụmụ nke ye wo abnormal children na ha dụrụ mma na ha wu imbe amụrụ m nọ n'ọfọ ye amụrụ m nọ na all sort of verbal abuse and everything and otherwise emegolu against Ogechi ọ n'ọfọ ye ka ọ nọ na ndị mmadụ misunderstand the message ahụ onyelu ịghọtago ndị mmadụ misunderstand that video omelu ebe ọ na-ekwu about the new system of judgment and the new system of campaign ha wepụta n'alụ this period. Ịghọtago ịmalụ na ometu onye elu ometu onye ana, except if you are listening from a partial point of view or from a selfish point of view. For what I understand by Ifokulu is that now the fan ya deku like this. Okutu onye, okutu ibe, okutu onye, okutu ibe, edo against if victimize the parents in mado. It should be general. Edo against a abuse woman. It should be general. Edo against a abuse woman. It should be general. There shouldn't be an exception. Now let us go still to that apology. Okay. Let us even hear from this person. For everything I have seen many people doing is just aimed at suppressing that voice of Ogechi. The reason Njiwekuno is suppress that voice is because I have never heard anybody cautioning those people who are either abusing Ogechi in one way or the other. So what you want now is for Ogechi to go in, for Ogechi to close her mouth, as long as every other people want to bash her with their words. Is that what you want? That is why in USA, if you don't make Ogechi to have that security and have that sense of belonging, that at least justice for A is justice for B, justice for B is justice for C. For as many as you people who know Ogechi when I problem, I have never found any of you innocent. I will keep repeating it. Also, Ogechi tender 150 apologies to you people. I will still maintain what I am saying, and that is the kind of person I am. You want to go? Can you beat your hand na your chest where say Niji Buhonoga Kujo Ogechi? Even na comment section. Yeah, Fukwande Yabia. Go up and nami yo, go up and nami yo, go up and me yet. Han or what the same people now. Well, no Ogechi na parin them mad, na parin na mad, na parin mad. But you are doing the same thing. Agwana kamma na eke toye. Eyotago agwana kamma na eke toye. Onike na ada kamma na oto wolbo onye nwe. Eyotago. So do onwe ado. Apology, apology, apology na afio n'enu. What do you aim to achieve with that apology? Apology aimed at suppressing the voice of somebody, closing up the voice of somebody. Kunu we the voice kanima. Or if no sure. Or do you honestly think that nature will do? You want peace. You are fighting for justice, but you don't want to blame Mr. A where they are guilty and blame Mr. B where they are guilty. Nwoke zone local government chairman Nango Opala. Abona mmado no na akpontu na Facebook a. Onye ona menti ko no he. Okongu dibia na Facebook a kpọ mmado no na akpontu. Madam Million Justice kwuru such thing na video. So I hope when she was saying that, she wasn't just restricting it to Ogechi alone. I hope she knows that a lot of people, they will fight this thing of a fight, that they are all guilty of these same things on I point out. On a kuku, iku no mas nemenka, or mokona no na this social media, who no mas the biaro what they innocent. Naha that normal. Mandemo mazia mandama. So if you apology no na show. This apology is also another system of captivity. I will not for one day tell Ogechi what to do. She can do whatever thing she chooses to do. I support her. But what I am telling you is apology and no. What do you aim to achieve with it? Do you want that apology so that you can go to the next chapter? You want to silence Ogechi? You want to capacity Ogechi up? What you are only interested in is Okarisia according to you. Nay suppress gay. Nay suppress gay. The true act of reconciliation is where you tell both parties their sins before their faces and reconcile the two. Otherwise, if you because I'm an Ogechi happen all the now I solve a puzzle. I'm a Ogechi no. I'm on Ogechi on detention. I'm on Ogechi to free. Yet I have Ogechi on a long way. So I'm a known with that puzzle, and you can't wait for her to enter that net. So I'm on that why you are struggling to solve that puzzle. I want to tell you something. If you want this apology without getting down to the root of this matter and solving cyberbullying na Facebook, no matter who is involved, Ogechi doesn't deserve that. Any other person doesn't deserve that. That is the best remedy. Otherwise, he present Yalo Ogechi, Ogechi decided, okay, let me accept this if I'm the mother nebu. Ogechi will say, okay, because I've got maybe for the nebu, now apologize, yeah? Kona Jello warrior, go to Nigeria, na Jello warrior. Man, I'm a lot of people be no Christmas and abo. You want to go? Only in Nigeria, no 3 months or 4 months. Makema go yes, webia. But let us assume that Ogechi decided to go accept to if for the sake go away na America. What of America? Have you asked yourself that Ogechi will say, okay, no, he present the apology, not now the only way out. She will say, okay, let me apologize. Then, Oluko America, she will continue from where she stopped. So now the best thing to do is to get to the root of the matter. I use an apology, render help. Nobody is asking you. A lot of you want to start giving help. You want to start advising. You want to start, you are now a consultant. You wish no Ogechi you for help. But let us say that you are giving that help willingly without people asking you for help. And the way decide then that the best help here is for Ogechi to go and apologize. Do you think that apology is the best? Caution people, can they buy poor away from cyberbullying? So, that now Ogechi is not just going back to America to start, but she's going back to America because now the main problem among Igbos to go settled. Man, go is no ya go walo. I will never support you for that. You are as guilty as Ogechi, and because of that, only people who I am really two-sided, this side and this side, and the family since. Homanine potagoro condemn Ogechi hanchanine. Homanine potagoro kolunde niaka. It will always be like that because now the main truth, everybody is running away from that truth, trying to talk in favor of their best and preferred group. If you think that is the solution, man, apology adakariana, this apology, is it no another mission? Did you show this apology? Apologize, apologize, apologize. And don't you even think that now, no apologize here, no deserve apology from some people. It should be a bag of egoshi yetimife. If ki yetim, if one knows yourself, you can nga ezugi kenenga. You ought to go. Yeah, umefi ye memuna ifum. You ought to go because if in real life, I dim career can see you on Facebook. You ought to go. Eda ere me agunshi kongu tebe wufuebe. You na abagare. You ought to. So, egochi ijezu ike. Iyo no gogidonalo since Ogechi jiwe bata. Iyo no gogidonalo before Ogechi we bata. Unenwebo ike achieve one thing with the year hono na aga. Imokono mmadu ka na agba. If na comment sections ebunu na ekwu na Ogechi kwulala inokwa na ekwuala against Ogechi. Now the problem inwere is that Ogechi is not a human being. Ohobala na aga n'ime, and if any na he na aga, she should be clapping for you or na say God bless you. Make una dey play. Juo nwere ajuju. Apology no apology na nya na afi unu no. That is the only place unu fuzuru yesi jide Ogechi. Apologize, apologize, apologize. Kono we si na gono me. Na nwanyi bu amu. Apologize go. Na okarisi nwanyi. Apologize go. Make una dey play. Obosi unu choro ka akwọ mmiri ya ka no na ọkpantana. Before ọgbagota na elu ebe ayi amalụ na ụna akwadogo ịghọtago mana ụna achọghọ ka anyị na-aga n'ubi ka ọ ka n'aka.